guys, it's me Walter and you're welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you different series of power bank or power station for your keyboards and its unique functionalities. I would like you to know that these products are not imported products from anywhere, but they are Nigerian products. They are made in Nigeria. And if you are in Nigeria or a Nigeria, I would like you to also patronize your own. Before I introduce these products or power banks to you, are you an organist who waits for power supply or electricity to play? Or are you an organist who intends to learn how to play but electricity is a barrier? Are you an organist or someone who wants to put in an effort to play or learn how to play but is being mesmerized by the situation of electricity in the country? Are you an organist who wants to play anywhere, anyhow, anywhere you want, but the issue is electricity is a problem or the means of power supply is a problem? This is for you. Alright, we'll be starting with our first product, and this is the V6. The V6 is in two versions. We have the V6 12 volts and we have the V6 16 volts. Well, the V6 12 volts, what it does, it powers the PSR E463 and E443. In as much as there is it's 12 volts and it's E-series keyboard, even the E343, the Casio, in fact, so much keyboards to mention, but the PSR, the V6 12 volts will power it, and we will be testing. I will be putting it to test now so that you see what it can do. And we'll be using the PSR. Alright, it's already on, but I will first as you can see, we are not connected to anything. It's powered on. Okay, I will power the keyboard. Now, as you can see, the keyboard is on. Keyboard is on, so let's see that anything that has to do with your PSR E-series keyboard, the V6 12 volts will take care of it. And then, not to mention, you can also get this product on Konga, on Jumia, and even if you still have issues, you can also come to us on WhatsApp and also chat us up. Even on our page, in our channel, you can drop your message, because people are dropping messages, so you can also comment and we will see how to get to you, even on Instagram and also on Facebook. And for those of you that have not yet liked our channel, please give us a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please endeavor to subscribe, because definitely you're missing something. Alright, it's now available on Konga, especially. Get it from Konga. On Jumia, it's there. If you have not yet bought one, I advise you to get one.